bite me. Oh, she could suck my thumb. She could suck my thumb. Oh. The white one is like eating my shirt. He was biting my shirt. They're so cute.
That's your finger. Oh, the baby woke up.
This one is sleeping. Look at Devin. Devin.
Get one.
No.
I'm gonna buy one when I'm older.
I want to buy one when I
They hide things on you.
So?
Aww.
Like when you go to
So does Emily.
Oh, look at the white one's getting jealous and coming too. Ooh, that one's a biter. That doesn't hurt?
No, he's just a little baby. He can't hurt me. Aww. He's like licking me. Oh, he's licking me.
The white one's getting peanut butter and jealous.
You both can bite me. Oh, I didn't know there was two in there. His claw is stuck on my finger. You can eat me. You can eat me.
Oh, look at this big sucker. Dev. Tried to scare you.
Favorite food? Favorite noises. Favorite noises.
A baby.
Favorite noises.
Yeah, I'm just cool like that.